Hey there, my awesome Diversity in Cinema Academy fam. I'm Theta Catalan, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Shooting a Short Film by Yourself. Now, I've embarked on this incredible journey to shoot a short film solo, and I am thrilled to have you along for every step of the ride. Now, if you missed the first two episodes, be sure to check them out, where we delved into whether you should take on this challenge and where I brainstormed some killer short film ideas. Now, for today's video, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of outlining a short screenplay. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop on all things filmmaking, screenwriting, and video creation. So let's get started. Now, you're probably wondering what exactly is an outline and why is it so crucial in the world of filmmaking and storytelling? So I want you to think of it as your story skeleton, the backbone that keeps everything in place. It's like a roadmap that guides you through the entire creative process, from the first glimmer of an idea to the final cut of your film. The purpose of an outline is simple but essential. It helps you organize your thoughts, structure your narrative, and ensure that your story flows smoothly. It's your safety net, preventing you from getting lost in the creative wilderness. It's a tool that keeps you on track, saving you time, energy, and countless headaches down the road. Now, you must have heard of a beat sheet, and you're probably wondering how it fits into the outlining process. Now, a beat sheet is like the DNA of your story. It's a collection of pivotal moments or beats that drive your narrative forward. Each beat serves as a specific purpose and helps maintain the story's momentum. Basically, you're conjuring up each scene of the film. Now, I'll share how I use Celtx beat sheet too, so stick around to the end to see how to use it. Now, when I outline a short screenplay, I like to break it down into 5 key stages. The first one is the ordinary world. This is where we introduce our protagonist and give a glimpse of the everyday life. It sets the stage for the changes to come. Now, the next one is inciting incident. The inciting incident is the spark that ignites your story. It's an event that propels your protagonist into action, giving them a clear goal. Now, the next stage is point of no return. This is the moment when your protagonist faces an obstacle that they can't avoid. It's a make or break situation that forces them to confront their challenges head on. And then the next one is the climax. The climax is the most intense and crucial part of your story. It's where the protagonist's struggle reaches its peak and they must resolve the conflict. You can't run away from it. And then the last one is the aftermath. The aftermath is all about wrapping things up, showing the consequences of your protagonist's actions, and providing a resolution to the story. One thing to note, the inciting incident usually comes quick in a short film, and it hits the audience like a ton of bricks, keeping them engaged right from the start. Now, to give you a better idea of how it all comes together, here's a quick peek at how I outline my short film. So in Act 1, that's when you do the opening scene. We establish the protagonist's ordinary world. Now, the protagonist's company comes under fire, which is the inciting incident in my short. Then the protagonist shockingly stabs an unknown person. That's the point of no return. Now, while I'm doing all of this, I'm establishing the protagonist's inner conflict, which guilt plagues my protagonist. Her inner turmoil is evident as she struggles to maintain her daily routine. So we're seeing all of that. Now in Act 2, this is when we get to the climax. A mass intruder ties up the protagonist and questions her about her actions. And baby, it's going down. He, she, whatever, they doing a little bit more than questioning. Okay. Now in Act 3, this is the awakening. My protagonist realizes the importance of confronting her actions. And then finally, it's the resolution. The film concludes as she takes the first step. And I'm just gonna leave it right there. So you'll have to wait for the conclusion until the film is released. Okay, so if you're finding any value in anything I have shared with you so far in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now, for my outlining process, I like to use Celtx beat sheet tool, which makes the entire process a breeze. It helps you structure your screenplay and keep track of all those essential beats we just discussed. Now, I want to take a moment to show you how to use Celtx beat sheet to outline your short screenplay. Celtx is an incredibly handy tool for screenwriters, and their beat sheet feature simplifies the outlining process. So here's a quick rundown of how to make the most of it. First, you need to log into your Celtx account or sign up if you're new to the platform. And I'm gonna leave a link below to help get you started, okay? Now, once you're logged in, create a new project, select film and TV if it's a screenplay for a short film. Start by creating your script. You can either import an existing script or you can write a new one within Celtx. To access the beat sheet tool, click on the outline tab in the left-hand menu. You'll find a section labeled beat sheet or something similar. Here's where you can add your story's key beats, just like the ones we discussed earlier. The ordinary world, the inciting incident, point of no return, the climax, and the aftermath. And you can do it any kind of way you want, but that's just an idea. So then you're gonna click add beat for each one. For each beat, you can describe what happens in that moment. This is your opportunity to provide more details and context to ensure your story structure is well defined. Celtx allows you to easily rearrange the beats if you decide to make changes to your outline. Just drag and drop them in the desired order. Take your time to review and refine your beat sheet. It's a great way to ensure your story's pacing and structure are sound before you dive into writing the full screenplay. Now, don't forget to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. Once you're satisfied with your beat sheet, Celtx, and it's Celtx, y'all. I've been saying Celtx, but it's Celtx. Celtx allow you to export it so you have a handy reference while writing your screenplay. You can also share it with others if you're collaborating on your project. Using Celtx beat sheet can save you loads of time and streamline your writing process. It's a fantastic tool for both beginners and experienced screenwriters to create a well-structured screenplay. I'll leave a link below to help you get started. Okay? Well, that's a wrap on outlining your short screenplay. Remember, an outline is your best friend in storytelling, guiding you through the creative wilderness and ensuring your narrative is engaging, well-structured, and impactful. So don't skimp on this vital step. Now, stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes action as we continue this journey to shoot a short film by yourself. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video.